Hello YouTube. Today we are going to build a prototype of WhatsApp audio micro interaction. So it goes something like this. You can start by playing the play button and audio tracker will move, and if you change the speed it will change to 2x. You can pause it. You can start by making this audio wave. Use rectangles and duplicated it and adjusted the height, just random height, and aligned it as center and gave a border radius and use the union selection. That's all. This is the same shape. Once you have this wave, what you have to do is duplicate it. Then once duplicated, create a rectangle, something like this. Make sure that height of this rectangle and the audio wave are same, and select these and go to mask and create mask. Now if you go and change the width of the rectangle, you can see that audio wave is moving. Now if you adjust the color, put whatever color you want. So once you create that, you just copy and paste it here. After creating the chat bubble, what you have to create is variables. You have to create two number variables. First one is highlight rectangle width, so put it as 0, and the next one is speed. You can start with 1 or 2. I'll just put 1. Now if you go inside this audio wave, and if you select the rectangle which we created earlier, and you have to go to the width and assign the highlight rectangle width to this rectangle. And once you have done that, what you have to do is just copy this 2 times, and here you have to change the state to pause. Okay. Now go to prototype and connect it to this, and from here to here you have to create after delay, and you can set the delay as around 100 milliseconds, and from here you have to go and change the same after delay and put 100 milliseconds. After that, just go to the this interaction and add a new interaction called set variable highlight width equal to highlight width plus speed. Do the same thing here also. Set variable highlight width equal to highlight width plus speed. So once that is done, you can just go and try the prototype. You can see everything is working or not, and you can see that once you click play, this marker is moving, but now we don't have the speed interaction. For that, what you have to do is go to this profile picture and change it to speed and speed. Now we have to add an interaction for this speed 1 and 2. So when they click on it, we have to change the speed. So for that, go to the components and add a new interaction here. Go to speed, property change to, that is all right. So when we click on that, change speed to 4, and when we click on that, we'll change the speed again back to normal what we had earlier. So that is done. Now let's go and check the interaction. Oops, so it's working, but 1 and 2 is just dancing around. So we will go and see what went wrong. On next, on click over it. So this should be, yeah, I think this should work now. Nope. Go and see what happened. Oops. So we shouldn't have changed this. We should have just set it as 1 like itself. Yeah, now you can see the speed tracker is moving, and you can change the speed when you click on that. Yeah. Now I can't pause it, so for pausing I have to just drag it back. Now let's see whether it's working. Yeah, it's working. Pause, play, pause, play, pause. So we can go change the device to iPhone 14 and play, pause, change speed. All good. Thank you. See you on the next video.